Hi, it's Luang from Mike Test Repeat and welcome to my garden. I just finished this bed and it's the time to put all the sprout in. It's a very simple bed made of fence pickets for the price cheap and robust. You can choose between treated wood or cedar. Treated wood is cheaper, but cedar has no chemical in it, and we plan to eat the vegetable. That's why I go with cedar. But if you just want to grow flower, it's okay to go with treated wood. And for this 3 feet by 5 feet bed, you will need 4 times of the 1 by 6 by 8 flank of the fan pickets plus 1 time of the 2 by 4 by 10 for the post here. I make the post a little bit longer so I can bury it into the hole and make it stable like this. With the same amount of material, you can modify the plan, make it instead of 3 by 5, you can make it 2 by 6 for a longer and narrower thing. That's it. In the next part, I'm gonna show you step by step how to build this one. First of all, you will need to gather the materials. Like I said, you will need 4 times of 1 by 6 by 8 fan pickets and 1 time of 2 by 4 by 10. I asked the store to cut the fan pickets into 1 by 6 by 3 and 1 by 6 by 5 for all of the flank around. 6 posts of 18 inches were cut later at home. Then we can assemble the long side of the bed. Drill holes will save the wood from cracking. The reinforced post will be put in the middle of the long side. Now we can add the short side to form a rectangle bed, and that is done for the woodworking. The next step is optional. I added the chicken wire to stop animals to dig under the bed. You can also add landscaping fabric to stop the weed. I don't need it here. The bed needs 6 holes for the legs. I used an auger to do that, but my deck is okay too, especially when you have rock soil like mine. My husband then loaded it with old branches as well as compost, and it's done. I planted all of the sprouts that my kids were seeding. They are so happy with this project. As you can see, they painted the raised bed and even played tic-tac-toes on it. I hope you like it too. Happy making!